Hey subscribers, hi, my name is Tim and my friend wants to show you a baby excavator. Let's see!
Yes!
Look there!
Hey, hello real bros and their subscribers. Look at this. You asked me to show you one baby excavator. Look at this.
No.
Brand's name is a Kubota. It's a U17.
Damn!
Look at this. Let's go in the cab. Here you are. And this one's working same. 1, 2. This one push in one side, driving just this. Back is going back. This one same. Forward, back. And if this one push this way, this one another way, is turning around on the right side. If another way, is driving around left side. And this one we can raise and lift this bucket. And it's going zoom, 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 something. This one close it, and this is working. All right. Okay, bye baby excavator. Hey guys, put your like and subscribe to this channel. Hey bros, see you next time.